you want a delightful dish that will fool everyone into believing it is a decadent comfort meal, this is the one. Pork chops with a creamy mushroom gravy served over penne pasta or mashed potatoes. Begin by cooking the mushrooms in a dry pan. This seems almost wrong, but what happens is that the water in the mushroom is cooked out, leaving a wonderfully browned and tasty morsel. Set them aside and saute the diced onions in oil. Set them aside. Fry the pork chops until they are golden brown, about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Set them aside. Make the gravy by whisking the non-dairy butter and gluten-free flour together. Cook them for a couple of minutes. Slowly stir in the broth and Cheri's HazelCream. This needs to be double strength, so when you blend it up, only add 16 ounces of water instead of 32. Add the Worcestershire sauce and mustard. Let it simmer until the sauce begins to thicken. Add salt and pepper to taste. Now put everything together. Add the mushrooms, onions, and pork chops into the gravy and simmer for 5 minutes. Pair the chops with penne pasta or mashed potatoes. Serve it up and enjoy this fabulous meal.